Hi, on this video, I'm gonna talk about things I like and don't like about my Casio G-Shock Top Solar DW5600E. It comes with glossy black box, warranty card, instruction booklet, the watch case is made out of tin, this is my solar digital square watch on my collection. This is why I do like it. The design is based on the first original square G-Shock. This is good for sports, as this is a shock-resistant watch. It have a utilitarian functionality, water resistant of 200 meters, solar powered, very lightweight, and have a world time. It's good for traveling. Things I don't like about this is I can't find any reason to dislike it. Overall, this watch for me is very iconic. It gives people option to have this in different materials and colors. This for me is my ultimate beater watch. Bye!